Alright, so good afternoon from the beautiful city of Chicago. So this is day one in the city. First of all, my name is Kaheem, and you're currently watching Life with Kaheem. So I landed yesterday. I'm trying to find a tripod. It's like no stores have a tripod on Michigan Avenue, so I'll probably have to find a Walmart or somewhere. Now, if y'all watched the vlog from yesterday, if you haven't gone watch it, please go and watch it where I talked about H&M, not H&M, but Fashion Over. They did not deliver my stuff on time, so now I'm in Chicago. I have new clothes with me. However, I bought certain amount of sets to wear on the trip. Uh, they did not get delivered, okay? I believe that they're gonna get to Chicago on the 7th, but I leave here that day. Nevertheless, I'm currently gonna go to H&M. I want some denim shorts. So yeah, let's see what I get from H&M. Uh, I'll probably go by the Starbucks Reserve today. I don't remember what all the plans are. Today is basically a free flow day because just shopping, having some drinks. I know that I want to do the river walk, but let's see what else I do. My Instagram is Travel with Kaheem. My TikTok is Kaheem Travel. So you can go ahead and check those out. Further ado, let's enjoy the
Okay, all of them done they notice. I'm not joking, all my guys them know me. Since '06, I've been writing the story.
Alright, so I'm currently in H&M. H&M. I saw some beach shorts that I like, so no, I have a lot of beach shorts. I'll probably just get two from here. Um, yeah, they're having a pretty good sale going on currently. Let me let me put y'all like right here. I really need to get a tripod. Like, yo, let's put y'all right here. Hopefully, y'all. If not, then alright, might hold. Okay, so the shorts that I have in mind, I saw these ones that I really like. So I know that I'm getting these. They are only probably $10. Um, let's see. There were some other. I was thinking of these ones, but I'm not really sure if I'm feeling them. But these for sure for me to go swimming. That's what I should have done today. I should have gone to the beach. However, nevertheless, I have plans for later. So it's like didn't really wanna waste time. This is okay. It's a nice denim shorts. However, I like cuts in my shorts, and like I like it to have a certain look. Um, I hate these. H&M. I think y'all can do better with denim shorts. Or let me not blame H&M. I'm probably the one not looking properly. So let me do some more looks to see if I find a denim shirt in here that I end up liking. Um, let's see. They have pants, but I don't need any pants because I brought a lot of pants with me from North Carolina. So yeah, but oh, they have some shorts over here, but like the one that I really love, they don't have in my size. So yo, though, I'm not big, but like I want a larger medium. They only have it in an extra small and then a small. But yeah, let's see what I end up getting.
I know they blow trees, so you know you low.
So I was gonna do an espresso martini, but I was like very indecisive, and I think I'm just gonna have a treat now on like the second floor. Yeah, I'm gonna do a treat and like a white mocha. So like this is what they have. The last time I was here in December, I got multiple raspberry cheesecake. So I think I'm gonna go back with one of those. Yeah, it's good. So this is how she's looking. So this is drink. It's really good. And then now this is the croissant. But
Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I dey lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come wine feel me slowly. Love ya, see the way to me live. I do the world I'm seeing. Yeah, nobody will be over. Now the Lord I dey go far. Who's the gold with the labor? That's all they need to shit. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm broken, you make me feel low. Whenever I'm alone, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my home.
alright, y'all. So currently on the river tour. Oh my god, I believe that's the hot. Oh no, that's someone's personal like boat thingy. I love Lake Michigan so much. Like it's just always so beautiful and the tranquility. Like this is why it's my sixth trip to Chicago. I believe that this is the city that I come to the most. I'm always here. Love Chicago always. Chirac.
I'll be there. I want to be dancing.
Alright, so hey y'all, so brand new day and we're at the beach. So I'm currently by this restaurant on the Cape Festerman beach called Aura. I don't know, I tried to swim but today is so hot that I just couldn't. Like Chicago, I'm not sure what's happening today, but y'all's temperature is too hot. So currently having lunch. I got myself a pina colada. Here she is. And yeah, let me show y'all the food. So I got this pork sandwich. There's the water. Look at these umbrellas. How beautiful they are. It reminds me of this hotel in Miami. I don't remember the specific name, but it looks something like this. Like, look how nice. I've always loved pink umbrellas and so forth. So definitely. Alright, so now I'm having the pasta salad along with some, I believe it's barbecue pork sandwich.
You forever. You see through the storm, take me as I am. Baby, it's magic every time I look together. I'm your cousin, hold you for life. I wanna be in your life until the night is over.